I'd like to talk a little bit about the importance of physics for philosophy. I hope you can hear me and see me. See me is not so important, but the setup is a little bit difficult here. I'm on holiday. Many things have meanings in normal life, like chaos, energy, power, work, which have their equivalent in physics. So when someone says, I'm all out of energy, and you ask how many joules are you missing, they would think you are a little bit weird. Or when someone says the government is so powerful, and you ask how many watt are we talking about, they will start to move away from you quickly. Still, I think that a unit or concept in physics, and the same one in everyday life, refer to the same thing. In physics, however, these terms are more accurately defined. They're leaving you less room to wiggle, and less room to wiggle is exactly what is required to find truth. It forces you to cancel out falsehood. So the tight definitions and mathematical rigor of physics leave you less room for your psychological defects to harm your grasp of reality. So yes, there is a specific number of donuts that will cancel your energy shortage. And if it does not, there is a cause why the energy in the donuts is not translated into more glucose in your bloodstream. And if it is, then there's a reason why this glucose cannot be converted into work. So I agree it will be difficult to use physics to become conscious of the reasons for the lack of energy when this is rooted in the psyche. But I would nevertheless emphasize that if physics can find an answer to a problem, it trumps the everyday life vague answers that muddle around in ambiguous definitions. I can be shocked to hear someone like Deepak Chopra say, every action generates a force of energy and return to us a like kind. Once you are in part of the chaos, the second step is to ask for the simplest outcome that will bring what blocks the universe from assisting us to get what we want. What is a force of energy? Doesn't exist in physics. So the scope of physics is limited, and the forefront of physics there is always disagreement, but beware of pollution of definitions. The muddling of definitions and pollutions of languages what got us into the Orwellian nightmare of slavery is freedom, wars, peace, an organization whose members claim they need to steal from you to be able to protect your property, to threaten you with jail to protect your freedom, and to threaten you with death to protect your life. So, yeah, I'll try to do my best to keep my definitions clear, and I know it's difficult, but yeah, I think it's important nonetheless. Leave any remarks in the comment section and rate it if you like it, or if you do not like it.